Welcome to Allura Solutions. Today we'll demonstrate Allura's Concrete Safe Remover and show you just how easy, safe, fast, and effective it is to use. Just spray it on, let it sit, and wash it away. Allura's Concrete Safe Remover is a safer and more effective replacement for hydrochloric acid-based products. You no longer need to work with awkwardly dangerous drums or highly corrosive hydrochloric acid-based products. Because Allura's Concrete Remover foams onto your truck, there is minimal waste. There is no longer wasted product from the typical broom and brush application, and no more wastage from spills or forgotten product. Allura's Concrete Remover selectively attacks concrete and cement, turning it to mud so it can be easily washed away. Allura's versatile surfactants allow the product to be foamed onto your trucks using our free patented foaming application system. Now we'll show you just how easily anyone can safely and effectively use our product and system. Step 1. Spray it on. With the easy-to-use foaming wand, simply spray a generous amount of Allura's Concrete Safe Remover all over the back of your truck and the barrel. Notice how the product foams up just like shaving cream, so there's minimal waste. As soon as the product comes in contact with concrete or cement, it starts to work right away, breaking it down, turning it to mud so it can be easily washed away. The product is totally safe on tires, aluminum, chrome, fittings, and fixtures. However, we always ask that a proper rinse is always performed after every use. With a foaming wand, you can get into places where you would have never been able to using a regular brush. We can always customize your foaming application system to meet any of your plant's custom needs. We can also offer multiple wands, so there is never an issue of slowing production times for washing. Allura's Concrete Remover is made up of organic salt, versatile surfactants, and advanced rust inhibitors. Once the product is applied, just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it away. The amount of time that is saved using Allura's system and product really adds up, and we find drivers have much more time to do other things effectively and safely. When you first start using Allura's Concrete Remover, or if you have thick buildup, you can always use the help of a broom. After regular use, drivers will simply be able to spray it on and wash it away. The PPE for Allura's Concrete Remover is safety glasses and gloves. It's much less corrosive and safer than any other hydrochloric based products. If skin does come in contact, it's more of a soap than a harsh corrosive product. From an OH&S standpoint, it's a much safer option. Step 2. Simply rinse it away. If you want a clean and well-maintained fleet, you need to give drivers a product that's safe and that they are willing and happy to use. Allura's Concrete Remover is biodegradable, which means it's fine in drains and in your recycled water holding areas. We have experienced a lot of plants struggling with hard water, and with our product getting into the recycled water supply, it actually softens it up. Notice how the majority of the concrete buildup and cement dust is gone. Allura's Concrete Remover is priced on par compared to conventional hydrochloric acid-based products. Allura offers a superior product without hydrochloric acid, plus free installation and use of our patented foaming application system, fortnightly system and consumption checks, along with replacement of parts for general wear and tear. Contact us today for a free on-site demonstration, or we would be happy to set up a non-risk trial at one of your selected plants.